Good day everyone! Today I am excited to introduce Bacalert, an innovative solution for ensuring the safety of spring water by detecting and eliminating harmful bacteria in real time. Access to clean drinking water is a basic necessity, yet many natural water sources such as springs remain vulnerable to contamination by harmful microorganisms. Among these, the Enterobacteriaceae family, which includes pathogens like E. coli and Salmonella, possess significant risks to human health. Traditional methods for testing water quality often rely on laboratory-based techniques, which are time-consuming and delay critical responses to contamination. This is where Bacalert comes in. Bacalert is designed to address these challenges by providing a real-time, portable, and cost-effective solution. It combines optical density sensors to detect bacterial growth with an Atmega 328P microcontroller, which processes the data and enables immediate action to eliminate the contamination. Our goal with Bacalert is to create a practical system that empowers communities and organizations to monitor water safety effectively, reducing the risk of waterborne diseases. In this presentation, I'll walk you through the system design and its operational principles. By the end, you'll see how Bacalert has the potential to transform the way we approach water quality monitoring and protection.
Water is essential for life, yet only 1% of Earth's water is drinkable, with much of it contaminated. In City of Rupi, Quezon City, spring water is commonly used but is often unsafe due to bacterial contamination. Residents avoid drinking it due to health risks, especially from Enterobacteriaceae like E. coli and Salmonella. Traditional water testing methods are slow and expensive, so there is a need for an efficient and affordable solution. Bacalert was developed to address this issue, offering real-time bacterial detection and purification through optical density sensors, UVC light, and Atmega 382P.
Here's our statement of the problem. Contaminated water leads to waterborne diseases, especially in areas like City Ruby. The traditional detection methods are slow, costly, and inaccessible to many. The objective of this study is to develop Bacalert, a real-time bacterial detection and elimination device. Especially, it aims to, first is detect bacterial presence using an optical density or OD sensor. This measures the cloudiness of water to detect the bacterial levels. Second is the process data quickly using the Atmega 328P microcontroller, handles and analyzes sensors data efficiently in real time. Third is eliminate bacteria with the use of UVC light. Uses UVC light to kill bacteria effectively in contaminated water. And the last one is the provide an affordable and user-friendly solution. Ensure the device is cost-effective and easy to operate with widespread use.
The Bacalert study introduces a portable device for real-time detection and purification of harmful bacteria in well water, tackling waterborne diseases in underserved communities. This innovation addresses a critical global issue, as millions lack access to clean water. Vulnerable populations such as senior citizens, infants, patients, and pregnant women will particularly benefit. The device provides convenient, unlimited clean water at home. Furthermore, this study lays the groundwork for future water purification research, promoting reliable and scalable solutions. In this slide, the Bacalert study focused on detecting and eliminating Enterobacteriaceae bacteria from spring water in Quezon City, Philippines. The device uses UVC light to purify water within 1 minute, without leaving residues. Although designed for small-scale use, its versatility and durability offer potential for larger-scale application. Beginner-friendly and accessible, Bacalert provides safe drinking water but requires repeated use if water becomes recontaminated.
Here's our research design isometric view, including top view, front view, right view, and back view.
Here's our picture diagram. This system ensures clean drinking water through advanced technology. The components we are using is Atmega 328P microcontroller, the brain controlling the water pump and monitoring sensors. Water pump circulates water from the 300-liter tank controlled by the Atmega 328P. 300-liter water tank stores contaminated water awaiting purification. Optical density sensors detect bacteria presence triggering purification. Carbon black filter removes impurities improving taste and odor. 10-micron filter captures larger particles and contaminants. UV light eliminates bacteria ensuring safe drinking water. 20-micron final filter polishes the water removing remaining impurities.
Here's our skeletal diagram. As you can see, all parts are labeled. First is water pump. Next is circuit board. Circuit board is nandun yung microcontroller, including relay and PCB board. Next is optical density sensor. Optical density sensor measures the amount of lights that passes through a liquid. Next is carbon black to remove contaminants from water such as chlorine, sediment, organic compounds, pesticides, herbicides, and industrial chemicals. Next is 10 microns. 10 microns is to remove some unseen materials from liquid but not bacteria or viruses. UV light. UV light purified system harmful microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. Next is 20 microns. 20 microns used in a variety of applications including water filtration, laboratory quality control, oil filtration, and chemical filtration. The last is water level floating sensor to detect level of liquid in a tank or container and control these devices based on the level.
So in this slide, this is our block diagram. Here in the block diagram is contained how to purify the water from the spring. This is our components. First is spring water input. Water from a natural spring or underground source flows into the system. The next is water pump start. A pump activates, drawing water from the source into the system. The next is water filtration. Water filtration, initial filtration, removes large particles, sediments, and debris. Next is optical density measurement. Sensors measure water turbidity to clarify using optical density. 5. Decision logic. The microcontroller processes data from optical density sensors, determining if water quality meets standards. Next is data processing using Atmega 328P microcontroller. The microcontroller analyzes data, triggering subsequent processes. Next is water filtration. Additional filtration stages remove contaminants, bacteria, viruses, and dissolved solids. Next is UV sterilization. UV sterilization, ultraviolet light, eliminates the remaining bacteria, viruses, and microorganisms. The second to the last components was bacteria detected. The sensors was verify presence or absence of bacteria. The last is water is purified. Clean water is dispensed for consumption. And these are system operation. First is the spring water enters the system. Second is the pump starts drawing water into the pre-treatment filtration stage. The third is optical density sensors measure water, clarify. Then next is the Atmega 328P microcontroller analyzes data and determines if water quality meets standards. Next, if water quality is inadequate, advanced filtration and UV sterilization stages activate. The next is sensors detect bacteria presence or absence. The last is purified water is dispensed.
This photo right here shows the PCB layout of Pack Alert.